we are in the exact same position that we were in last year. Tell me how now, brown cow. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time joining, welcome to it. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. As you guys can hear, I'm feeling very, congested, very sneezy, but you guys will tell from the title that today is the moving vlog, the first moving vlog. I thought I would have started this sooner, but there were many obstacles that I will explain to you guys when I get back from the mall. But let me show you guys how my apartment is looking. Let me give you guys a sneak peek. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see all of that. So as you guys can see, things aren't looking all that dope, but we move. Today is actually Thursday, so today is the day where the moving company is going to come and pick up all my big stuff and the boxes. So they're gonna take my desk, my bed, my couch, my microwave, my fridge, and then and all the boxes. And then tomorrow, which is the last day of the month, which is the day that I'm supposed to be moving, I have somebody coming in to clean in the morning around 10. I'm just gonna come and do a full clean. I ordered from Sweep South. I'm going to leave my referral code on the screen right now if you guys want to get anybody to come clean for you. They're very affordable. I think I'm paying 175 rand or something for them to just come clean, but it won't be much for them to clean, to be honest, because there's gonna be no furniture in here. I say all of that to say, right now I'm going to the mall. I want to go get one or two more big boxes just so that I can put my linen and stuff in there. And then I also want to get some domestos, newspaper to wrap my plates and my my glasses. So let's go.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm the most upset hand in South Africa. I just got back from the mall, got all my stuff, bought the two boxes, and I bought myself a paddle pop as a treat. Look at it. Look at this. What the f? I'm so upset because I've wasted my money. And I really was looking forward to that, and I can't put it in the fridge because I had to defrost it. So that is how my day is going. But anyways, I want to tape up these boxes and put my duvet in it because it didn't fit in that other one, and this other box that they gave me is a little bit bigger, I hope. So let's do that, and then we will chat after the fact.
One eternity later.
Guys, a bitch is exhausted. I'm doing so much cleaning. I'm just like, what is the actual person that I've hired gonna do tomorrow? But I just realized that I need to take down my curtains. I hate it here. Oh my goodness. Okay, but before we do that, I thought, let me explain to you guys my little situation. Oh, there we go. Let's zoom it in a bit. Jeez. Okay, so what had happened was we are in the exact same position that we were in last year. Tell me how now, brown cow. I'm laughing about it now, but like I hear you see, and it's actually not funny. I'm genuinely annoyed. But what happened was I've been looking for a place. I told you guys I was supposed to stay in a 3-bed. That is what I've been looking for the whole year and last year as well. You know, working with 3 people to get a place is very difficult because you have to work around everyone's schedules. There's only so much that you can pressure people into getting it done and putting enough pressure, especially if there isn't the same pressure on everyone. Do you know what I'm saying, to get this show on the road? Because my lease, I could have made it end in Feb, but I really did want to move out of my place now in Jan. Even this week when we were looking, the reason why we were still looking this week is because scheduling, getting people's times right, having to satisfy 3 people is also a lot with the place. Long story short, one of the people that was going to stay with us, she cut out this week as well. It's just a lot of moving parts and a lot of stress involved. But anyways, all that aside, so what is happening now is that I'm moving out. Tomorrow is my last day here, so I'm supposed to move out. That is why I've decided to take all my big furniture today. I'm going to go and sleep at Nelly's place tonight. I'm going to be staying with her until I find a place. She stays not too far from me, but like, you know, so that's just it. Yeah, I was really upset about it this whole week. Like, this week has just been very like down. Like, that's why I didn't want to record myself packing, because I was just depressed. Like, I was literally packing like that's how I was packing, literally. We moved though. Zippy and I are still looking for a place. Things are looking up kind of, which I'm happy about. So yeah guys, I'm putting all my lights and stuff in storage, so you guys probably won't get a full like sit down YouTube video in a while. You guys are gonna see a lot of vlogs, I guess, because I won't be able to do any sit down videos. So if you guys are excited for that, I'm going to try and vlog like quite consistently. That's where I am right now, so enjoy this global session because it's very on brand. So it's the content you signed up for.
A few moments later.
Just went downstairs. As you guys can see, it's much brighter because I took my curtains down. I got a package from Superbalist. Was there a need to get new shoes? No, but they were on sale, so I was just like, let me do it. I'm already like very broke from this move, but last week I wasn't. Last week I don't think I'd anticipated all the costs that would be involved, so I said, let me treat myself. There was no need. Like, they're actually irritating me, like seeing them now, because I'm just like, you didn't have to do this. You would have had more money if you didn't do this stupid shit. But we moved. I got 2 pairs of shoes from Superbs. They were on sale, but still didn't need to keep them. I could have skipped it. So here's the first heel. They are the exact same heels, but in 2 different colors. Here's the first pair. They look the same. Ooh, they're so sexy. Here is the first pair. My feet are so long, guys. I'm even now looking at it, I'm just like, why are your feet this way? This is the first pair. Other one looks the exact same, to be honest. So it's just like a simple heel, black heel, has this crisscross in the front. So then I got these nude shoes, the exact same situation. I'm obsessed. I really like them. I'm glad I did it, but like it was done.
One eternity later.
My movers are late. I'm thinking of going to the garage to get myself an ice cream. Look at how my life is situated. Everything is pretty much together. They're gonna come take apart that disc. They're gonna come take apart that microwave. I mean, yeah, well, not take apart. They're gonna take the microwave. They're going to take the couch and this bed. and all in boxes, all of that. So yeah.
A few moments later.
I got a pedal pop. The movers are still not here yet, and it's about 3:30 to 4. I don't really know about Tembe, but like I'm here, I'm waiting, I'm trying to get the so they better hurry up.
2 hours later.
Guys, you guys can't see it right now, but it is literally pouring with rain. I don't know why it doesn't pick up on camera. It makes me sick. Can you see kind of there? It's pouring with rain, O's. It's even hailing. I'm busy eating leftover wraps. But the guys just came. Mind you, it's 5. And they can't offload anything or upload. What do you say? Load. It's raining. I have boxes. And my shit's gonna get wet. They bought a car that has no protection over the top, so it's not gonna work. So I said, hashtag can you bring a truck? And they said they're gonna try and they said that they're going to bring a truck. I'm kind of just annoyed because I really just want a nap and to get the fuck ASAP. Honestly, they have to do it today because I have, as I told you guys, someone coming to clean tomorrow, so there's no option for them to delay this thing. I'm literally sitting here like, we can chop about it all we want, but at the end of the day, you're gonna have to take my stuff. You guys are supposed to be here at 2. It's 5 o'clock and my things are not, haven't left yet. Why? I don't think I would even recommend this removals company. I got this recommendation from Twitter. There have been too many issues, honestly, too many issues. I would not recommend. Twitter recommendations aren't always the best. People are just plugging people because it's black businesses, you know, black people support black businesses, and it's like, yeah, for sure we should support them, but the ones that give us good service, we cannot support every single Tom, Dick and Harry when you're giving us BS service. But yeah, we move. In the meanwhile, I'm going to try and edit a video and chill out, you know. I'm not trying to stress myself. Let's stress more champagne, you know.
1 eternity later.
Guys, they finally arrived, and so we're moving. I'm excited. But I think it's 6 to 7. Yeah, thanks.
1 eternity later.
Okay guys, so as you can hear, my voice is echoing because there's nothing in this apartment.
The next day.
Good morning guys. I'm trying to keep it quiet because Nelly's still sleeping, but it is move day, the 31st of Jan. I don't know, I'm so excited. It's actually not exciting at all. But I'm about to head back to the apartment. I woke up at 6:30 this morning and I haven't been able to get back to sleep. It's 9 o'clock now, 9:10. The lady who's coming to clean is supposed to be coming at 10 from Sweep South, and she actually just sent me a message. One, she didn't send it to me. The app sent me a message, says she's on her way. So I think I'm gonna head out now and go meet her there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. What's up guys? So I decided to come to Woolworths Cafe at nearby mall because I wanted to give the lady who's cleaning some space to clean. I have to be out of the apartment at 12, so I think this will be enough time for that. Besides all that, I'm at Woolworths Cafe. I'm about to have something to eat because I'm actually a little bit hungry, and yeah. What's up guys? So back at Nelly's place. I'm so happy that that whole process is finally done. Space looked spotless, and yeah, the cleaning lady was brilliant from Sweep South. I'm again gonna leave the code on my page right now for you guys to get some cash off if you guys want to use their services. The lady that I used that came to clean my place, her name was Dimakatso, and she was brilliant. All that said, finally out of that place, finally homeless. The plan for today, sorry that I don't have my wig on, it's very hot guys, it's boiling. I'm gonna go meet up with girls later on. We're gonna have like a girls night, just some wines, chilled vibes, nothing much. I'm pretty excited for that. So I haven't seen them in a while, most of them.
One eternity later.
I finished getting ready. I'm sorry that I didn't involve you guys in the process. I was making quick because I was late, but I'm about to head to Shumi's place now. It's like 8:30. It's 7:30 on Wednesday. 7:30. My Uber is nearly here. I feel like he's getting lost, but whatever. We move.
Can you feel up my pants?
A few moments later.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good
The next day.
Okay guys, today is Sunday. It's afternoon. But yesterday, I obviously didn't speak throughout the vlog, but you would have seen from the night before, which was, as I'm sure you already know, can already tell, it was really lit. So after the night before, all of us slept at Slumi's house, and then we just chilled together the whole day. Like, it was honestly such wholesome content. So yeah, we chilled together the whole day. Then I got back here around 8:30. And then I just went to bed. As soon as I got here, it was load shedding. I was so upset. So yeah, Zippy went for a viewing for us yesterday. Say all of that to say, thank you so much to you guys for watching this vlog. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys stick with me on my little journey to finding a home. But I'll speak to you guys in the next one. Bye.
baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. Inna ya, say she give me inna ya. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl say my wine, let me grind, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking.